What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today we're going to be unboxing some plant mail, and I have a special announcement for you. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's get this plant mail unboxed before I get to the big announcement. This was sent to me by pottedPlantDreams. I've done an unboxing video of his before. We've become pretty good friends by now, and we just kind of send each other packages. He included a nice little note wishing me a happy birthday because my birthday was around that time, and we'll just get right to the contents of the box. You probably actually noticed me already taking this out of the box, but this is indeed baby clothes, and this is the big announcement. I am gonna have a baby son in about maybe even today or in the next like 5 days. He's coming quick, so I might be a little busy over the course of the next few weeks, but we'll see if I can keep the upload schedule. I'm really excited to be having a kid because I get to force all my hobbies on him, whether he likes it or not. But anyways, I'll do a more better announcement about that when he's actually born probably. So let's keep moving on. As always, pottedPlantDreams, he packages things excellently. There's never really any damage, and they're all held together really nice. This is a heartleaf philodendron, and it's potentially reverted, but it might be variegated. It might have some left in it. He does have variegated heartleaf philodendrons that he's trying to get propagated and going for his shop, so I'll look forward to that in the future. But this one might pop out some variegation, we don't know, but it is a freebie, so I'm pretty excited about it. Next up is a very yellow golden pothos. I'm always excited to get pothos. It always seems like such a basic plant on a lot of other videos, but I really do love them, and I have a lot of different varieties that have been building up, and they always just surprise me with the variegation and just the patterns that they can produce. Even though they're not really a hyped plant, I think everyone should have a decent sized collection of pothos because they're really fun to propagate, grow, and just kind of spread around your collection. This one looks really fabulous, and it's totally different than any of the other ones I have, so I'm really excited about it. Next up is the mystery box. Now, before I open this, I was always begging for this thing, but I had no idea he was sending it. Let's get this thing unwrapped. As I'm kind of unwrapping this, do your best to take a wild guess at what this is. As you can see now, it looks a lot like a tree branch, but this is actually a giant pothos node. You heard that right. This is literally just golden pothos, but grown in a really good environment. Just because it's pretty hard to actually get scale in a video, sometimes you can't really tell. Here's a normal household pothos vine next to this large one. This is ridiculously huge, and I've been always wanting one of these because a lot of people get these from Florida or other more tropical areas where these things can truly thrive up trees. So you can't really grow them like this up in the north where I live. So I'm super excited to have this. This node is so ridiculous that it even dwarfs my entire pothos plant, which just cracks me up every time I see it. This node already does have new growth starting, so I'm really hoping I can get this on a moss pole or really anything to get it growing vertically so it can sort of retain its size. Usually when you take cuttings like this, they do revert back in size a little bit, but I'm hoping to God that I can just keep this thing going and cruising along because I just want giant pothos in my house. It'd be freaking awesome. I want to throw another shout out to pottedPlantDreams. He's a really awesome friend of mine at this point. I really like sending him stuff. He sends me stuff, and it's just another really good example about good people in the plant community, and just how if you just reach out and find some people on Instagram or Facebook, you can make some really meaningful relationships and really have an awesome time. So thanks again, pottedPlantDreams. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was pretty simple. However, that announcement was a pretty big deal, so I hope you guys will have some patience with me because the uploads might slow down a little bit over the next few weeks. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be pretty exhausted, so we'll see how it goes. Also, I'm really excited about that darn pothos node. It is massive, and I can't wait to see what kind of first vine comes out of it, so stay tuned for that as well. And as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.